In medical environments, creating spaces that feel bright and open while still protecting privacy and hygiene is a constant challenge. Healthcare facilities are expected to promote transparency, comfort, and natural light, yet traditional privacy solutions often block visibility, restrict daylight, and introduce hygiene concerns.
PDLC smart glass and smart film make it possible to design open, light-filled medical spaces without compromising privacy or cleanliness. Unlike curtains, PDLC glass is smooth, non-porous, and easy to disinfect.
With the touch of a button, spaces switch instantly from open and transparent to private and secure. Smart glass integrates seamlessly with automated and touchless systems, supporting modern clinical workflows.
This flexibility improves workflow efficiency, supports patient comfort, and keeps clinical spaces bright and welcoming.
From private clinics to public hospitals, Smart Glass Country helps create spaces that feel bigger, brighter, and more human.